Hello, we are back with Katie and Austin's Minecraft videos, and
I bet you're wondering why we have an airplane pilot.
because today we are going to make an airplane. We're making an airplane today.
And we need first white blocks.
A white block.
So, I'm building the airplane here.
It can't be by the love garden.
I mean, by the love garden.
Better not be.
Katie, stop talking.
Well, it can't be by the love garden. Because then we won't have enough room for our love.
Oh, maybe we can put one in that empty spot. That's the landing spot.
I built it just right here.
Hey, Austin, guess who I think texted back? Stan.
I think I have a cheat for this. Yeah, I have a cheat for this. I just have to do it. Oh, yep, I did it, and I'm in survival. I'm literally in survival, and I'm flying right now. I'm not kidding. I'm flying right now. Maybe I'm in my airplane. Oh, no, I'm walking. Wait, whoa, this is a cheat, man. This is awesome. You should check this cheat out. It's very cool.
Well, they don't know how to do it.
What?
What if they don't know? See, we're going to build it in the area of the love garden over there.
Yeah. So I'm going to build the airplane right... I'm going to go up further. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh, the cheat fell. I had to make my thing.
My finger was in the video on accident.
Yeah.
Like, for like a minute or two.
Oh, God. Oh, good day! Oh, yes, he finally lit on fire! Yay! Yay! Whoa, I'm flying. Oh, my cheat. Fly up further. No, it's my cheat. No, I can't teach people how to do it though, but...
Besides me and Austin, we're the only ones that know.
You don't know.
Yes, I do.
No, you don't.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Yes, I. Remember you taught it to me the other day. For the video. We only made this videos a few days ago. You're not doing a step-by-step tutorial.
Okay, put a block there, and then what's my flying mode? 3, 2, 1. Okay.
And we know how to make an actual flying air balloon and an actual flying
5
stuff.
back,
And we're
1
going
in the
to
middle,
create
and 5 on that side. Then in your front, you can start anything there, the middle block. Then I'm gonna fly up and.
I encourage people to shop at the market. We're only going to make a mini jet.
I'm not making it so big, but just making it like an airplane.
Austin, we think you're on creative.
We ain't on creative.
I think we are.
Yeah, I am.
So there are no flying cheats. Don't end the video to look it up. Don't end the video just because you're mad, because it's okay. It was a little joke that me and Austin had planned. I'm kidding, I didn't even know about it. So we're only making a little jet.
Okay, so first we're gonna start with these.
Yes, they would. Then we're gonna teach you how to make a gigantic Disney cruise ship.
No, we ain't.
Well, I am. When I go to my cousin's, I'll shoot a video.
Let's not do this right now. Let's not do this right now. But let's add someone to our garden.
Who?
I don't know. Anybody. What would you think a name of? Kaylee.
Well, we can't.
Just write random. We can just write one random name
No.
in the whole garden.
No.
Why?
By the way, there are no random names on our love line.
Fine. Yeah, it's just Stampy Stampy. No one did it yet.
Well, Stampy made us happy. Speaking of Stampy, we should go watch some Stampy videos now. What do you say we end the video and watch some Stampy videos and get some ideas, inspiration?
Okay, Katie, this is really messed up.
We are disliking what we are. Wait, stop. Go back to controls. Did you fix it?
I think. Yep. Yeah, I think I fixed it.
No.
Yeah? Come on, this one's away. And this one's on break.
Which one's break?
This one.
Yes, we fixed it. Never mind. So you do. Oh, but now we have to add ourselves in the love garden. We promised ourselves to whoever did
Well,
it.
anyways, let's just eat a cake. Let's just do it.
Just for the fun of it.
Let's just do it for old
By the way,
time's sake.
we're not.
We
Our
can eat.
our thing is cookies, not cake, because Stampy's thing is cake.
No, our thing's cake too. Stampy's, but Stampy's really good.
What?
Stampy really likes cake, and I like cake too.
Just put it down.
There we go.
Num 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 num. Nom
Yum
nom.
yum 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 yum. Very good.
Okay, now we are going to go, because it was a special, unextended video.
Well, it might not be to a video in a couple hours or so because we're making a cruise ship for you guys. And so I might end this video now before we can start building the cruise ship.
Okay, so thank you to
Sorry about-
all of our people that have watched this and are going to subscribe.
And I'm sorry about this airplane thing.
We
I'm
are
really sorry, but I had to end it.
we're gonna name this airplane attempt fail.
No, airplane sadly died.
Never did.
But
Okay, well, peace out. See ya.
see ya. Bye.
See ya in the next
Happy
video.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Well, Merry Christmas, because it's closer to Christmas than it is Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, well, goodbye.